everyone, this is another Pandemic Traveller video, and today I'm in Waverton at the coal loader. Welcome to the coal loader. The coal loader operated on the western edge of Waverton Peninsula from 1920 to 1992. It was dedicated as public open space in 1997 by the New South Wales State Government and is now managed by North Sydney Council. Pretty interesting. Hopefully we can get some good views from here. I've actually never been here before, but a friend of mine coaxed me to come here today to show everyone on the YouTube world what this place is all about. So you got a pretty awesome view from here. Nice little spot for a picnic. As you can see down there, there's a family having a bit of a picnic. Another family having a picnic, kids playing around on skateboards, bikes.
Sorry, 6 cage. Free veg over here.
Aren't they beautiful? Look at this one, babe. Squash.
Hang on, Ada's filming, don't snap it off at the moment.
It's alright.
We'll come back later.
What's this net for? Keeping Fugos out.
Just keep the western suburbs out. Hey? So come with me, come with me. Just to go there, that's a big fucking thing.
We're going to take a lift.
I'm going to take you down a fucking little walking walk, bro. We're going down to there. We're actually going to go in here. We're going to get in down those tunnels.
Okay.
And we're going to go under here, down through the mining part, go down, and then on the sheer wall on the other side there's a cliff. There's a condemned old sort of jetty that runs along the side. We're going to climb down.
Okay. Let's go have a look.
Level 1. Hey, this way, brother.
Alright, my friend. What is that?
That's really cool.
Lots of signs.
At night, this is all lit up, bro. So this is all golden at night time, and now he's all dark. So it's reversed, but we're gonna go through here.
Very strange.
At night, you see red and blue lights coming out of all these vents.
Okay, red and blue lights coming out of the vents.
Like police
Yeah.
lights. It's got something to do with what's going on top. I don't know, but you can see red and blue every night.
Okay.
They all got numbers on them, bro. Watch your step to it. When it's pissing down rain, you don't want to trip over. It's pretty rough.
Definitely different. It's getting a bit dark down here.
I reckon we start running these guys.
I do see the light at the end of that tunnel. Cool. Yeah.
That's above you over here.
Okay. So where the people were picnicking, that's up there somewhere.
Yeah, this is a coal loader. So the trains can come through here.
Yeah.
Right, it's got the edges, got the gaps. And then the coal just drop out of these things.
Okay. Should have said that earlier.
I just worked it out, bro.
Oh, you just worked it out. Yeah. Okay. So that's where we've come from.
Yeah.
And that's where you want to go. You want to go down there?
Yeah,
No, we're not going down there.
We're going to go down there.
Bull's Head bushland. Bull's Head is one of the largest bushland remnants in North Sydney. It was still well vegetated in the early 1900s, but amazingly most of original vegetation had been destroyed by the 1920s. Community action led to Balls Head Reserve being set aside by the New South Wales State Government for public recreation in 1926, and in 1935 a further 8 3/4 acres was added to the existing 14 acres. Wait for me, guys, wait for me! So awesome view from here.
To wash your nuts.
Keystone.
For your nuts.
Keystone.
This is called a ball koozie, folks, in Australia. Yeah, Keystone,
Doesn't say ball water.
It's called a ball koozie. What you do on a hot day is you get your kegs out.
I have one in my house.
Like this. And you get down there and you wash your balls in there. You know? Ta-da! Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
So those squares that you're looking up, are those,
Yeah.
and they bring the coal along and then dip them into them. It fills
Okay.
them to shoot, you know, goes to the...
That's a cool idea with the gardens. The veggie gardens.
Yeah. Yeah, it was one of my best ones, Dad. I just said you guys should really capitalise and become a bit more self-sufficient.
Yeah.
Stop eating your fucking cheesecakes, you
We
fat
should
rich
have
fucks.
open-air cinema down
Start
here
eating
as
some
well.
water sausage, zucchini and shit.
Water sausage. I love water sausage.
Yeah.
So what do you think they're doing with that? Just refurbishing it?
No, it's just there, it's condemned.
Oh, it's condemned, okay. So that was where Andy wanted to climb over. Go down here, onto here, shimmy across the rope, onto the boat. Could have just walked down there, across there, over there and jumped across, but no.
Once you're down there, it's not so heavy. There's a few sketchy bits, like through here, it's sketchy, and up there, where it's really rough.
Thanks for watching, everyone. This has been another Pandemic Traveller video at Balls Head Coal Loader in North Sydney. If you'd like to come here one day, it's free entry. It's over in North Sydney. You just have to Google Balls Head Coal Loader. It's a really interesting place. You can come for a picnic. There's a bit of a bushwalk and some awesome old boats and sites and views of the city and surrounding suburbs. So once again, please like and subscribe. If you know anyone that might be interested in seeing my videos, please share them. And once again, Pandemic Traveller, peace out.